In this training video, we're going to talk about another network, an alternative network to ClickBank affiliate, which is Digistore24. This is a network that is alternative to ClickBank. So for any reason, if you have not been able to get success on ClickBank, or you haven't been approved, or your country is not listed, you could come to Digistore24 and promote their products. They have thousands of products to promote. They have low ticket offers, they have high ticket offers, and they have some of the best offers on the internet. And some of the top internet gurus who were on ClickBank, I see them on Digistore24. So I'm going to talk about Digistore24 in this video, in this training video. I'm going to go to the marketplace. I'm going to show you how to look for a product, how to choose a good product. And I am also going to show you how to create a free campaign, not a paid campaign. We are talking about a free campaign to drive traffic, and we're going to use one of the top traffic source that converts, and a lot of people are using it. The only thing is that you need to learn how to use it the right way. So in this video, we're going to talk about basically affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's products, and every time they generate a sale, you make a commission. That's how it works. Okay, there are hundreds of ways to make money online. One of the best way to make money online is affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product and earn commissions. I've been in this business for over a decade, and my training has helped thousands of people within the affiliate marketing space. Okay, so I highly recommend you watch this video right to the end, because it will give you you will become a creative when it comes to affiliate marketing. It will give you the basic idea on what you need to do, how to choose a product, and you will know how to actually create your free campaign to actually drive traffic and start making money online. So step one is that you need to go to digistore24.com and you need to create a free account. This is a marketplace account that you're going to create, and in this account you are going to actually do all these settings, which includes your postal address, okay, verify your account, and then your account details so you can get paid. Now, there are two separate accounts when it comes to Digistore24. One is the affiliate account and one is the vendor account, and their dashboard is quite different to ClickBank. So you could see this is a dashboard that you're going to see something just like this. Okay, a dashboard, and then at the top you're going to have two different options: view affiliate, view vendor. So if you're a vendor, you have your own product and you have actually added your product to the marketplace for affiliates to promote, then you could see what's going on with your vendor account by going to vendor section. Otherwise, if you're just an affiliate, just like me, promoting someone else's product to earn a commission, you're just going to select the affiliate option and you're going to check the dashboard. All right, so this is where you're going to see the promo clicks, how many clicks you got, how many people visited the order form, how many conversions you got, what was the EPC, what was the refund rate, and what was the commission, how much did you get paid. Okay, so let's just head over to the marketplace and let me show you what the marketplace is all about. So you can see here all offers under affiliate marketplace, my favorite under affiliate marketplace. Let's just go to all offers, and they have quite good products when it comes to affiliate. So we could see here there are several products down here. All right, and you can see they're paying you 60% commission. So first offer is, it looks like it's a physical product. You can see earn 60% commission promoting advanced amino formula supplement. Okay, then if you just hover your mouse, visitors who open the order form and then make a purchase is 9%, which is very, very good. I think this is the commission, $127.35. This includes all the upsells as well. All right, but what I want to do, let me just go here. Okay, let me just go back here, and let me just filter this out. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so it looks like they have changed the dashboard, alright? Because right now, what I can see is products not related to actually English speaking countries, alright? So let's just give this another try. All offers on the affiliate marketplace, English speaking countries. Okay, so you're going to choose one of the product. I'm just going to type in here affiliate marketing because that's what I'm interested in. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now popularity. I'm not interested in popularity. I want to see, let's see what they have here. Cancellation rate, earning per se. Let's just go for that. Okay, so this is a high ticket offer, $263, 2% cart value. Okay, let me just check the sales page, high ticket hero, what this is all about. And then check this out. Look what just happened there. Look what just happened. You better be very, very careful when it comes to actually promoting Digistore24 products, okay? This is a good thing that it just happened, so I can explain it to you. Look what just happened. I went to this offer, okay? It's a English title offer, alright? Simple as that. Telling me it's going to pay me $246. Now, if I wanted to promote this offer, I will click on the promote now button, get my affiliate link, start promoting it. If I drive paid traffic, I'm wasting all my money. Here's why. Check this out. It's not an English speaking offer. Who's going to understand this? That's why it is very, very important before promoting any offer, whether it's ClickBank, whether it's Digistore24, especially Digistore24, make sure you check the sales page, okay? So you're not losing that traffic, okay? So let's just find a good offer here. Alright, let me just check this one. This looks like a good one. Affiliate School Masterclass. There you go. It's not even English. Oh my word. This is not even English, okay? Alright. So let's just go back. And let's just go to the normal affiliate marketplace offer, alright? I am sure that this has to be, alright, this was a direct order form. Unbelievable. Alright, so let's just keep on Millionaire Partner System. I think I have seen this. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so we have found one offer. It's one of the great offers on Digistore24. Just say I want to promote this product. It's very simple. You're going to get my affiliate. You can see here, it says here copy promo link, and it says here promote now. Promote now means you're not approved to promote it. So you have to click on it and they will send a request to get you approved. Copy promo link means you're already approved. Just get your link and start driving traffic. Now, how do you drive traffic? You can see here, this is going to pay you after all the upsells up to $1,311, and the 4% cart value is very, very good. Okay, $933.73 net earning per sale. So if I want to promote this offer, first I could take help from the affiliate support page. He will have resources and tools, okay, but we're not going to go into that. What we're going to do is we want to learn how to drive traffic. So I told you I'm going to show you how to get free traffic. I've already spoke about this in hint and bits and pieces in my previous videos. I'm just going to give it to you in this video in a different way. Okay, so first of all, you're going to go to Facebook, and from Facebook, what you're going to do is you're going to go to groups, okay, and because this offer is related to make money online and affiliate marketing, what we're going to do here, we are going to type in affiliate marketing, and then we're going to find several groups down here, okay, several groups. So you can see here 90 posts per day, 91,000 members. So you want to join a couple of these groups, and it might ask you a couple of questions before joining the group. Here's another one, 12k members, so you want to join that one as well. You can see a 90 posts, affiliate marketing magic. I'm not interested in that because it looks like it's something to do with another product. Let's just go to this one, make money online, join. All right, now when you join this, don't get crazy. You're just pressing the join and joining like 20 groups in one day, because Facebook just believes that's a bot. That can't be a human. Okay, so be very, very careful. All right, so we could see here, we could see a couple of groups getting a lot of they have a lot of members. People are posting it. That's the type of group you want to come into. Okay, so you could see here 23,000 members, only 4 posts a day. You don't want to join that. So let's just go back to the top, and I can see this one, post here, network affiliate marketing success. Let's just go for that. And then once you have joined a couple of these groups, you just want to click on the group. Okay, and then you want to start posting. Now the best post will be something similar to this one. So you want to come here, you want to click on this, okay, and then you want to come here and you want to say something like, I'm just giving you an example, $933 sale, no website needed. $933 sale, no website needed, beginners friendly. Who's in? Okay, I'm just giving you a quick hint on how to do this. All right, so I'm just going to come here and watch what I do now. All right, I'm showing you what's working for me. Okay, I'm not like saying, oh, I don't want to share this, it's a free training. People normally share this in their paid courses. Why should I share it for free? I'm not doing that. I'm just sharing it with you, even though it's free. Okay, just take it from me and start doing it. But here's the kicker: don't get too crazy with it. Like, you're just going and doing this same thing with 50 different groups in a single day. You do that, you're going to get suspended. Okay, so you want to do 1 to 3 groups a day. Every day, 1 to 3 groups, and then you want to do it with different groups every day. Okay, don't keep on doing it on the same group, and then you want to keep on changing the angle of this as well. You just don't want to do the same text every single day with the same group. That's number 1. Number 2, okay, once you start getting responses, with that responses as well, you're going to start sending messages. With that as well, you don't want to get too crazy. Okay, you just want to like send a couple of messages every single day. All right, and the best part should be that you should build your list. So if in case they don't buy the product directly, you have them in your list, so you could continue to communicate with these people to make them buy your product. Okay, and if they don't buy the product, you still have other options and other opportunities to promote. Now, if you don't know how to build a list and you don't know what I'm talking about here, here's what a landing page will look like. Okay, this is a landing page that you need to create, a similar landing page which will take only 10 minutes, and this is how you build a list of subscribers. So just in case they don't buy the product, which is common, you can continue to communicate with these people and promote different offers, different opportunities. Okay, so it's that simple. And Facebook is one of the huge traffic platforms out there that works very, very good. Only if you do it the right way. I'm telling you, do it the right way. You don't. I know some people, when they start seeing that money coming in, they will get crazy. They start doing like 20 posts a day, like 20 different groups, and then Facebook says, whoa, wait, what's going on here? This doesn't look like a human to us. This looks like a bot. Straight away, they're going to limit your account, and then at the end, they're going to suspend your account. So you want to stay on the safe side. You want to work the smart way, all right? You don't want to get crazy, and you want to work the smart way, not the hard way. So this is how you do it. If you go to Digistore24, start looking for products. Yes, it's going to take a bit of time for you to find a product, and you have learned one lesson, one big lesson, is that whenever you decide to promote a product, make sure you check the sales page, make sure it's in English, all right? Because you might get deceived by just the title. The title's in English, but the sales page and the product is it's a different language. So if you start doing it that way and you start driving traffic without checking, you're going to waste all your time and valuable money.